Today we're going to be drawing pumpkins. All you need is a sheet of paper and pencil with an eraser. The first one we're going to draw is, I like to say, like just a generic pumpkin. You're going to start with a stem, then you're going to go 3 lines, just like this. Once you have those 3 lines drawn, then you're going to do an oval. And this oval in the front will determine what your pumpkin, what size it's going to be. The next thing you do, you're going to connect these to that bottom line with just a hump, just like that. Then you're going to go and you're going to start connecting. I call these pumpkin cells. And notice these cells are not going below this front oval bottom. They're staying a little bit behind it. The next one comes, and this one can be fat. All pumpkins are different, so they're all going to look different. Now the front part, this is kind of important. Now notice how I drew it kind of long. Some of them, they might need to be shortened a little bit, but this determines the view, your perspective of this pumpkin. So this will be a hump, and this will be another hump. So this means you can see the top of your pumpkin. You're not at eye level. And there we go. And if you want to add some shading, remember, think about your light source. If the light source is right there, then that's where the light is going to be. So you can shade the left part of these cells. Oh, remember, shading is like this. Excuse me. So the left side will be shaded, and the right part of the cell will be highlighted. And what I like to do is I like to shade the entire pumpkin. And you shade each cell of the pumpkin with the contour lines. Notice I'm shading each cell by itself. And once you do that, you can use the eraser and render the highlights. That means you're going to erase them. So we have the whole pumpkin shaded. Even the top where that light's hitting, because our pumpkin is colored. And once you have this, you can come back with your eraser and you're going to erase. Whoop. Sometimes I like just to use the pencil eraser. You're going to erase the right side of the cell where that light will be hitting. And so you know the top is hitting just a little bit. It's getting some light. And once you do that, I know you can hardly tell, but then you can go back and add a darker shade. So then you add darker to that left side. And this gives the effect that it is round. Makes it have a 3D quality. And there we go. There's your generic little pumpkin.